Here's how to change font color on Shopify. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. First of all, you have to do is go into your Shopify store. After this, you have to click on Online Store button, which is on the left side of the screen. After selecting Online Store, you have to click on the Theme button. Next window will look like this. Here you have to click on Customize button. Next window will look like this. Now you have to click on Setting button, which is on the left side of the screen. Now, in the next step, you have to click on the Colors button. Now you have to click on Editing Scheme 1. Now click on Text button. Now here you can select your favorite color which you want for your fonts on the store. So I select green color. After this, you have to click on Save button, which is on the upper right corner of the screen. Now here you can see that all of my fonts are green. So in this way, you can change the font color on Shopify.